Hello, everyone. Well, as you can see, my June setup is already set up, and that is because I'm silly and I filmed this entire thing as a form of a reel instead of a YouTube video. It's fine. Everything's fine. But I thought I would just walk you through really quick. So I have my regular monthly setup. This is done with the Pirates, the Pirate Gnome Kit, but the journaling kit, which is a new thing that I brought into the shop this month. Let me know how you feel about the journaling kits. Let me see if I can show you. They're just a little 2-page kit, and they have some weekly and boxes, and then most of it is like these very memory keeping scrapbooky style stickers. So it's just a 2-page kit, and then you can pair them with the other versions, the weekly kit and or the bullet journaling kit. So that's exactly what I did. I took some of these decos from the deco sheet, and then most of these are from the journaling kit. And then, of course, I created a few stickers that are personal to me in this setup. So obviously I am setting up for the month of June. So I set up June here. This is my number sticker, again, available in my shop. And then these are my progress bar stickers. So each one of these segments is 25% complete, again, in my shop. And I changed it up a little bit this month that I am not doing them based on week. I'm just doing a set of goals and then what my overarching goal is. So here's my monthly goals sheet. Then we have my monthly review. This is how I normally do my monthly review. Again, it has the platform, so Instagram, Etsy, whatever else. The start of the month, the end of the month, and then if it's a plus or minus. I actually do have to change this because my Etsy shop will no longer be active starting, I think, not this week, but next week. I'll be shutting it down 100% for good at that point. So I do have to take away the Etsy there. So we have the total income, my income revenue streams for my finance tracker, and then we have the expenses, what the total expenses were for the month, what the item is, and the cost. Again, this is my normal setup. You guys have seen it quite a few times. We have a section for YouTube videos. This is my checklist sticker, again, in my shop. I'm going to stop saying that. But these are the scrapbook style stickers that we have here. And this is just a list of YouTube videos that I currently need to do, or ones that people have asked me to do, so I can keep a list each month and move it with every single month. And then I have a to-do list here. Again, I need to keep track of things that are going on in my life. So I need a to-do list related to my business activities. And I really love how this ended up working out with this big sky piece here, and then this little stripe piece right here. So I loved how that looked with this to-do list. And then the last page that I have, again, I made this specialty for me, is the Patreon list. So I have my month at a glance here. So that is part of my future log stickers, and then what the live streams will be for June. And then I stacked up some washi that came on my banner sheet down here, and then created, and then just added a little gnome and then another little piece here. And then usually I put some more information related to patrons, their to-do list down here. I am going to change it up this month. This month I'm going to add all of my patrons' names so that I can mark off their rewards, because I've been doing that in spreadsheet form, but I really need the visual cues from doing it in my bullet journal, and then adding for folks that maybe their item got lost or they need something else or they have an order or something else, then I can like make some notes in here. So I'm planning to use the rest of this page for that, and probably over onto this page. And if I do go over onto this page, I'll just add some more stickers, of course. So that is my entire June setup. I know this is a short video, but yeah, that's what happens when you set it up ahead of time. So here's just a final flip through of the entire month of June. I do like pairing these with the white and the black. I think that it's such a fun feel for the Neapolitan. I don't know if I could do that in my everyday bullet journal, but I do like it a lot in my business notebook. So thank you so much for joining me. If you have any special requests, if you are looking for these kits, if you are looking for my cat, then it is all available in my shop. Well, the stickers, not the cat. The cat stays here, but the stickers are all available in my shop, and we will say goodbye to everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.